Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about Intro to HTML. The term HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Is used to write web pages. So if you want to write web pages, you need to use this. That's a hypertext markup language. Now we also have this. What is a hypertext? This is the way in which web pages, that is HTML document, are linked together. So links available on web page or web pages are what we call hypertext. Now I want us to write a basic HTML document, and I will open my VS Code. Now in this program, I'm going to start with defining the kind of version of HTML by using this tag called doctype. And then I'm going to write HTML. Now HTML is a tag which encloses the complete HTML document and mainly comprises of document header, which is represented by head tag. And then we have document body, which is represented by body. So we're going to look at that. So I'm going to introduce head tag here. Okay, head tag, this is a tag that represent the document header, which can keep other HTML tags like title tag and a links tag. So in between the head tag, I'm going to enter my title. That's where you enter your title like this. Then you can say that. Then after this closing head tag, you need now to open a body. This is a body tag. Okay, like that. So this is where you enter the content of your page. Now I'm going to within the body, that's why you need now to type the first heading, and to type the heading we use h1 tag. So this h1 tag represents the heading. Now this we're going to have heading 1. You can say okay. Then we are going to introduce a paragraph, and we're going to use p tag. This is where you enter your paragraph, and then I can end a paragraph here, and then I can say document goes here like that. Okay, so when you look at these basic HTML document, you see within the body tags, we have entered our document, we have entered our content, that is heading 1, and also we have entered our paragraph. That should be within the body tags. Then in between the head tag, we have entered our title. So you can enter a title, you can even enter a link if there is an external link. This is the area where you can introduce it here. Now the whole thing now, HTML has enclosed the whole thing, see. So everything, the body tag, head tags, they're all within they're all enclosed within the HTML tags. Okay, let me try now to run my program. You can open it with a browser. For example, for my case, I'm going to use refresh. You see the content is here. This is a heading 1, and then we have a paragraph here. So in the next video, I'm going to do a video on heading tags. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing for more, and follow along. Part 2 is coming. Let's meet in that video. Thanks for watching.